What is up, YouTube? Tim back with Ted Detailing, and today's a good day because we'll be cleaning a 2018 Camaro, and this car is legit, man. I've always been fond of especially yellow Camaros. Huge Transformers fan, so me cleaning a yellow Camaros means a lot. So let's jump right into it. So I managed to get the reaction of the owner and stick till the end to check it out. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that sub button and stay tuned for more content. To start things off, I did a quick pressure wash to make sure there wasn't any kind of unnecessary debris while cleaning the car. When pressure washing the door frames, make sure to keep the nozzle at a steep angle so no water gets into the interior. After applying the car solution, I went around with a detail brush to get into any small crevices. I enjoy cleaning the wheels, and I would say it's probably my favorite part of the whole clean. After the exterior was complete, we went and started the interior, and the only footage I had was extracting all the seats and carpets. And here is the dirty water after extracting this car.
Yeah, so we cleaned the whole car for you, extracted the seats, you know.
That looks nice.
Yeah, we did the whole shebang.
You guys got up here too?
Yeah, inside, and even moved your wheel a little bit to clean it.
That looks nice.
Yeah, I mean, you gotta, you know, if you have a nice car, you gotta make sure it's clean.
Yeah.
So. Make sure you know.
Thanks.
Hey, you're welcome. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button for me and stay tuned for more content. I'll see you in the next one.